Hello students, today we are going to discuss worksheet 6, that is factorization of algebraic expression when a binomial is common factor. So in this case there is given, for an example, there is given x plus 2 by plus x plus 2 into x. There are two terms. In product there is only one term, but sign of plus or minus is there, so it separates the terms. X plus 2 into x. So there are two terms, one is this one and second one is this one. The highest common factor in these two terms is there x plus 2. When we will take it out, so we will get another factor, that is by plus x as it is. By plus x is the factor when we take x plus 2 outside. So out x plus 2 into by plus x, it is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. So these are the two factors of the given algebraic expression. But in case of in some cases we have to make the grouping proper so that we can take a common factor. For example, how we can do that? But by rearranging the terms. For example, there is given an algebraic expression, that is ax plus b by plus a by plus bx. In this case, in the first two term, there is no alphabet or no number is or coefficient is there common. So in this case, firstly we will rearrange these terms. So firstly I have written there ax and then a by, so that one term should be common, one alphabet is there common, that is a is common in these two terms, and then bx, and last term I have written there b by, so that b is the common factor between these two. But we have to make the factor as it is, so that in the next step we will get the same middle term or a binomial between these two terms, so that when we will take it common, we will get a plus b as the second factor. So x plus pi and a plus b are the two factors of the given algebraic expression. So in this case we have to rearrange the terms. Firstly I have written there ax, then a by, then bx, and then plus by. So what is common here? A is common. So what we will get inside? X plus by. Similarly b is common here, so we will take b outside. So what is left inside? X plus by. Now x plus by is common in these two, so it becomes x plus by as it is, we will take common, and a as it is plus b. So this is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. So it is an example. Now we are doing question of this worksheet. This question is there: factorize the following expressions. So in this case we have to check which one is the highest common factor, or simply the common factor between the two terms. This is the one term, this is the one term, because sign of minus is there on the left hand side there is a single term, and on the right hand side also single term. It means there are two terms, and which one is the highest common factor between these two? So x plus by is the highest common factor of these two terms. So in this case, when we will take x plus by outside, so what we will get inside? 2x plus 3 by as it is, then minus sign, then x plus 1. Now we will take this minus sign inside, so it becomes minus x minus 1 in the next step. But this is same and it is also same. Now we will separate the like terms as it is. These are the same variable term, that is x, and this one is the constant term. So we will get here 2x minus x, that is x, and 3 minus 1, that is 2 with plus sign. So it is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. It is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. The next one is there 9x plus 6x, 9x into 6x minus 5 by minus 12x square into 6x minus 5 by. So in this case this one factor is the common, but another terms are also common, 9x and 12x square. The coefficient is there or simply in these two terms, which one is common? Highest common factor of 9x and 12x square is there 3x. 3x is the highest common factor of 9x as well as 12x square. And another highest common factor is there 6x minus 5 by. Therefore, HCF of these two terms is equal to 3x into 6x minus 5 by. Now we have to arrange these terms in such a way, the one factor is their highest common factor, that is 3x into 6x minus 5 by, and 3 we have to write there because 3 3s are 9x. And similarly we have to split this 12x square as it is, so that we get 3x, and one factor is there 6x minus 5 by. So we multiply it by 4x, then we will get 3x or 12x square. So in this case 3x into 6x minus 5 by is the common factor between these two terms. When we will take this out, so we will get 3 as it is, minus sign, and then 4x. So this is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. The next one is also same as it is. In this case what is given, x raised to 3 into a minus 2b plus x square into a minus 2b. So in this case a minus 2b is the common factor, binomial. But in case of x cube and x square, which one is the highest power of x, which is common in these two terms? That is x square. That is x square. So therefore HCF of these two terms is equal to x square into a minus 2b. When we will take this from these two terms common, that is I will arrange it as x raised to 3 x into x square into a minus 2b plus, in place of x square we will write there as it is, but 1 is the coefficient of this, or 1 is in the form of multiplication. When I will take this whole term out, so what is left? So in this case 1 is left. So this is the highest common factor, that is x square into a minus 2b. So when we will take it out, so what we will get inside, x plus this one. So this is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. We have to think which one is the common factor and then arrange the term as according to this, so that we will get one factor. One factor is the HCF, and other terms we have to write in the bracket. So it is the factorized form of this question. The next one is there, fourth part. In this part, a minus b square plus a minus b. So there are two terms, one is this one and second one is this. We can split it as it is, a minus b into a minus b, because x square is there, x into x. Similarly this term is there, a minus b plus a minus b as it is. Now in this case, when we are looking here, this one is the one term and it is the another term, because sign of plus is there. So which one is the highest common factor between these two? So in this case a minus b is the highest common factor. So we will arrange this as it is, the product of two factor, so that one is the HCF. So this one is the HCF, but in this case HCF and into 1 we have to write there. Now when we will take this HCF outside, that is a minus b, so what we will get inside, a minus b as it is, then plus sign and then 1. After this we will remove this simple bracket, so we will get there a minus b plus 1. So it is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. And the next one is there, in the next one there is given 3a into p minus 2q minus b into p minus 2q. So p minus 2q is the common factor between these two. So when we will take it out, what we will get inside, 3a minus b. So it is a factorized form. Simple. The next one, but it is related to mind. If you are thinking which one is the highest common factor or common factor between the given terms, then you can factorize this. It's a very much important thing. Now in the next term, next part, here is given 8 into 5x plus 9 by plus 12 into 5x plus 9 by. So in this case, this binomial is common, but these are the constant term. In case of constant term, we will take only the common term, that is the HCF. So when we will take outside, so we will get here 8 as it is, plus sign, and then 12. 12 plus 8 becomes 20, and 20 in the multiplication form of 5x plus 9 by. So it is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. Now the next one. Next one is also simple, but in this case we have to rearrange the terms. But in this case there is no need. In this case, first two term and last two term, we have to think here which one is the common. So in this case, no factor is there common, but in this case one factor is common, that is x by. X by is common in this and in this also, in these two terms. So in this case we will arrange it as 1 into 1 and x 1 into x. In these two we have to take one common factor, and similarly in these two we have to take one common factor. So x by as it is, no number is multiplied with this, so we will write there 1. And in this case x by, that is the highest common factor between these two terms, so x by one common factor, and when we multiply it by x, so we will get x square by. Now in these first two terms 1 is common, so when we will take one common, the 1 plus and this x, it becomes. Next, in this case, in these two terms, I'll take x by common. So when we'll take x by common, so what is inside 1 plus and this x. Now, I have arranged all these terms in such a way such that I have got a common factor, that is 1 plus x, and 1 plus x in these two terms is same. Now we will take this common factor outside, so we will get inside 1 plus x by. So it is a factorized form of the given algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression there are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when we factorize this, so we will get a single term, the product of the factors. So it is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. There are some more examples are there. Parts are there. 8 part is there. X square plus x by plus xz plus yz. In this case we have to see which one is there common in these two term and in last two term. So in these two term which one is the common? So we will split it x into by x plus x into y. So x is common. So when we will take out x outside, so we will get x plus y. Similarly z is common. So when we will take it out, we will get x plus sign and then by. Now x plus y is the common in these two terms. So when we will take this x plus y outside, so we will get inside x plus z. So it is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression which have 4 terms. Now the next one. In the next one there is given a into a plus b plus 8a plus 8b. In this case in this term a is already outside, but in this case we have to take some common factor. So 8 is the common factor, so but we will get a plus b inside. When we will take 8 common, to a plus b. Now we are looking a plus b is the common factor between these two terms. When we will take this out, we will get inside a plus 8. So this is the factorized form. In the same case we have to do in this part a square plus bc plus ac plus ab. Rearranging the terms. So in this case we have to rearrange the terms because in these two there is no common factor. So we will write there a square as it is, then ab, this last term, then ac, then bc. Now in these two terms I will write this as it is a into a plus ab, a into b. Similarly these. Now a is the highest common factor between these two terms. So when I will take a common, so what is left? A plus b. Similarly c is common. So what is left inside? A plus sign, then b. Now a plus b is the highest common factor between these two terms. So when we will take this outside, so what is left inside? A plus c. So it is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression which have 4 terms, but in this case there is only one term. The last part, second last part is also same as it is. In this case there is given a square plus 2a plus ab plus 2b. So in this case um, I will split it a into a plus 2a, and similarly these. So here a is the common factor. A is the common factor between these two. When I will take a common, so what is left inside a plus 2. Similarly b will take common. So what is left inside a plus 2. We have to take factors common in such a way such that the binomial should be equal. A plus 2 should be equal in these two terms, so that when we will take this common, so what is left inside a plus b. So it is the factorized form of this algebraic expression. And in the last part there is given again a is the common in these two. When we will take a common, so x plus by is there, and then in this case we have to see there minus b is common. When we will take this minus b outside, the sign will change, it becomes plus, and it is also becomes plus. So x plus by is the highest common factor between these two. So what is left inside a minus b. So this is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. Hope you all understood this. It's a very important worksheet which is related to the factorization of algebraic expression. It's an important role in higher class also. If you are getting any problem in online classes, we will discuss again and again to clarify their doubts. So everyone have a nice day. Thank you everyone.